2019 Denali GMC. We end up installing the blinker unit with the phone app and the whole 9 yards to arm the system. I'm gonna hit lock. Locks your doors, turns on the alarm. Okay. I'm gonna set it here so I can show you guys. Alright. Disarm it. Okay, remote started. Car's running by remote control. Okay. This tells you the voltage of the battery on the actual car, the signal of the actual unit. Okay, it gives you the run time, how long the car has been running for. Okay, if you decide not to go anywhere, you can always hit lock. Locks your doors. You can leave it running. Unlocks your doors. Now we can get inside the vehicle and take off. Just basically, you can just drive away. You don't even have to do anything. Okay, that's that. Okay, I'm going to show you guys everything from the actual remote. To disarm it, to turn off the car, you can hit lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and that will shut off the vehicle. Or you can, when you get ready to start it, you do the same thing, lock, lock, lock. Or you can just do the factory alone. That has nothing to do with us, but you can do it if you don't need to do it from our alarm. My alarm is just lock 3 times or from the app. Basically, when you arm it, it interacts with my alarm system. And at the top, you'll see that little blue light flashing. When you hit this arm, it turns off my alarm too. So in other words, you don't have to carry my remote control from my alarm. We have to download a module and upload the firmware that belongs to this vehicle. It's a pretty long installation.